Well, hey everyone, Lisa here, and happy 31 Days of Temptations. Did you know that it started yesterday, August 1st, and for the next month, we are going to be presenting so many new items, new technologies, some linens, some placemats, some dinnerware, some bakeware, some accessories, so many things. And you know where I am right now? I'm with David Venables, and we have Fri-yay on QVC too. We're so excited about everything. Hey, Wendy, how are you? Thanks for joining in. I'm going to actually flip this around. I want to give you a sneak peek of a few things. Hi, Chris. How are you doing? All right, number one, let's talk about Fri-yay. Here is our loaf pan with that awesome bamboo cutting board and those mini mitts that you guys love. Only in the seasonal. These are the only 4 colors left. So I'm on right at 7 on QVC 2 with Fri-yay with David. Super excited about this. Now, come on over here with me. Look at this. I'm giving you guys some amazing sneak peeks. Joanna, Linda, hey, Terry, how are ya? You guys, we are so excited. And Tara's going to be on Sunday with brand new with David. I know I'm telling you so many things, but buffetti, and then look at this down here. Hey, Charlie, how are you? Charlie's from our home office. Hi, Debbie. Look at this, you guys. We have these amazing cutting boards with, look how cute this is in Harvest. The matching spreader, and look at that. The adorable little ramekin. Oh my gosh, come on. We have it in the Harvest, and look at this. I love this. That was Pumpkin Patch I showed you. Sorry, this is Harvest. Hi, Dawn. Hi, Chris. Hey, Molly, how are ya? Molly, now that you're here, look what I'm going to show. I'm going to give you guys seasickness for a minute, but look, Molly, I know how much you love Lil Frankie. Look at that. Lil Frankie, you guys, everybody is loving Little Frankie. Isn't he adorable? He's just the cutest platter in the world. Look, even his stitches up there. Adorable. Now I'm going to walk you down here. Oh, there's Celeste, one of our food stylists. Hi, Celeste. Wait, look what she has right here. They've been baking and baking, getting ready for the 31 Days of Temptation. So adorable cupcakes. Wait, Celeste, what's that?
Little polar bears.
Little polar bears. Oh my gosh.
Cake pops.
Oh, cake pops over there. And look at the gingerbread on the cupcakes. Oh, come on, ladies. Our food stylists are nothing short of amazing. But we have so much new, so much going on. So super excited. Are you going to come join us? Because literally, we are going to be on air at QVC on tonight, Friday night. Then tomorrow, In the Kitchen with Mary. Then David, In the Kitchen with David on Saturday. Then we kick off a big deal on Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we have our shows. You know, every Wednesday at 7 p.m. on QVC, you can check out our hour shows. It'll be so much fun. Terry, love the 31 Days of Temptations. Thank you. Dana, so cute. Wanda, hi. Lisa Roberts, hi. Thank you, everybody, so much for joining in. I want to show you one last thing. Look at this because you've been requesting it. Look, it's not even out of the packaging yet. I'm going to take one out so that you can actually see right here these utensil sets. But look, it's silicone, and then we did the bamboo handle. I'm going to get really close. Look how cute that is, fresh out of the box right there. So Ed Tesher is in the house. Hi, Ed Tesher. We are just so excited for everything. Everyone's asking for another sneak peek of Lil Frankie. There's Lil Frankie. So I'm going to give you another sneak peek of our food stylist right there. Everybody's getting ready. Look at all these boxes, you guys. There's so much going on. We're so excited. We've never had this many new. So check things out on QVC.com. I'll see you tonight with David on QVC 2. Tomorrow with Mary. David, Tara will be here on Sunday. So stay tuned to our QVC calendar, okay? Bye, everybody. Have a great weekend. Hi. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Tara Tesher just joined in. So now we have to chat. Hey, Tara Tesher, I just showed them Little Frankie again because we know how much they're loving it. What do you think? Give us your ideas of anything that you're loving. We want to hear everything that you love. Paul, Ed rules. Yep, Tara, we see you. Love that you're here. Melody's here. Tara Tesher again. Isn't it great to have Tara? Just like she's with us while we're doing these Facebook Lives. So, Tara, I'm telling them they got to stay tuned because we have so many amazing, amazing things going on. All right? So, everybody have a great night. Tara and Ed, have a good night, and we will see you this weekend on QVC. Bye, everyone.